Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to see your recent friend requests on Facebook. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the menu icon, which is the three horizontal lines. After that, tap on your profile name to go to your profile page. On your profile page, tap on the three dots next to the Edit Profile button. This will open a new menu. From here, tap on Activity Log. The Activity Log allows you to see a detailed history of your interactions on Facebook. Once you are in the Activity Log, scroll down until you see the section labeled Connections. Tap on the small down arrow next to Connections to expand the options. From here, tap on Sent Friend Requests. This will display a list of all the friend requests you have sent. You can also see the date and year when each request was sent. That's it. That's how you can solve the problem of seeing your recent friend requests on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.